Hello ladies and gents, this is one of those rides I'm not really looking forward to. It's just so cold outside right now. This is not going to be fun whatsoever. I'm probably not going to talk very much. I have my gloves heating up, as you can see. But I just need to get back to the garage, obviously in one piece. It's nice to warm up the gloves before putting them on. Here we go. Alright, here we go. Oh man, the wind is bad too. Wind and cold, they usually go together pretty well. Tonight is no exception to that rule. Oh man. It's really not, that far of a ride. It's really just a hop, skip, and a jump. Back to the garage, back to warmth. But when it's in the 20s, anything that you have to do that in which you jump on the highway, you're gonna feel it. You're gonna feel it, and it might even be too cold for my GoPro. I don't even know. I shot one earlier today. Shot a video earlier today, and it died right about here. The GoPro did. So we'll see. We'll see what happens with the GoPro. And make sure nobody's coming. Cool. Right now, it's not so much my upper body; it's my legs. Right now, I'm not wearing my motorcycle, my Moto jeans, which provide a fair bit of insulation. Actually, they'd be very comfortable right now. I should be wearing those, but I'm not. So I'm gonna have to make do. I am wearing long johns right now, but they only do so much. I gotta make this light. Nice. Alright, okay, so we're underway. And I am in the wind, feeling it, loving it. Holy balls, it's cold. Okay. Stop talking about it. Stop talking about it, then it goes away. You are just taking your damn time. Jesus. Can't stand people like that. Just make a move, Oh, wow. Jeez, that wind. Oh, man, that wind is bad. I mean, why put on your blinker if you're not going to do anything? Losers. Oh my god. If my GoPro's still on, this is oh, it's so cold. Okay. I'm glad this is a very short ride. Very, very short ride. My exit's coming up right around the corner. And the wind, guys, it's like a 40-mile-an-hour wind gust. Jesus. Yeah. And the wind makes it feel like it's a negative degree. Whoa, oh man, it's so cold. Okay, thank God. Holy crap. Holy shit. Yeah, my heated gloves are on high right now. And these gloves get freaking warm. I know a few of you can probably attest because, you know, Ducati NYC and I, we both, we ride these gloves pretty well into the winter season. And we have talked extensively about them. The Highway 21 Radiant Heat Gloves. They're fantastic. And they do get really warm. Oh, but man, holy crap. Right now, ladies and gents, boys and girls, I'm a cold boy. Alright, well at least my time on the highway is over. I'm out of the wind for the most part, and well, let's see if I can snake through here. Yeah, I think I can. Save myself about 10 minutes. Just kidding. Oh, okay. All right. And now we have a nice little night with Adam, aka Dirty Billy. As you can see, Dirty Billy Garage. Or maybe you can't.
What's that?
I'm not a smart man. Just freezing my ass off. How's fight night so far? Did I miss anything?